The circle graph shows the results of a survey on internet provider subscription. A total of 550 residences were polled. So we have Cyberwave at 35%, Global at 18%, Flash accounts for 72 degrees, and we have Speedy here. Calculate the number of residences using Global. And so here we have Global, and Global is 18%. 18% of what? 18% of 550 residences. And so we have the number of residences using Global is equal to 18% of 550, all right? And so we have 18% of 550 because there are a total of 550 residences that were polled. And so we're gonna do 18% of means to multiply. So we have 18% multiplied by 550. We put 18% expressed as a fraction. That's 18 over 100, and we multiply that by 550 over 1. So we say 18 times 550, and that gives us 9,900. We have 100 times 1, which is 100. Next, we divide these two numbers. And when we divide them, we get 99. So that means that the number of residences using Global is 99. Next, we have to determine, or we have to calculate the percentage of the sector representing Flash. Now, Flash is 72 degrees, but that 72, notice that we have this point and angles around a point. Angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. Indeed, one revolution is 360 degrees, and angles in a circle add up to 360 degrees. So that means that we're going to take 72 and we're going to put it over 360. Then we're going to take this fraction and multiply it by 100 to convert it into a percentage. So we have 72 multiplied by 100, which gives us 7,200. Next, we have 360 multiplied by 1, which is 360. Then we take 7,200 and divide it by 360. And when we divide the two, we get 20. So that means that the percentage of the sector representing Flash is 20%. And that's the answer to this question. Next, we have the percentage. We have to determine the percentage of the sector representing Speedy, the percentage of the sector representing Speedy. So what we have to do is we have to take 100 and we subtract it with 18. 18% is Global, 35% is Cyberwave, and 20%, which we just figured out, is Flash. And so that means that when we do 100 minus this sum, we should get the percentage for Speedy. And so we have 18 plus 35 plus 20, and that gives us 73%. So we have 100% minus 73%. And 100% minus 73% is 27%. And so that means that the percentage of the sector representing Speedy is 27%. All right, next we need to determine the degrees of the sector representing Cyberwave. Now, for Cyberwave, we know Cyberwave accounts for 35%. And so 35% of what, if you want to figure out the degrees of the sector representing Cyberwave? Well, 35% rather, of 360, because angles in a circle add up to 360. One revolution is 360. So we have 35% of 360. Of means multiply, so 35% multiplied by 360. So we have 35 over 100 multiplied by 360 over 1. We multiply 35 by 360, and that gives us 12,600. We have 100 times 1, which is 100. Next, we say 12,600 divided by, next we say 12,600 divided by 100, and that gives us 126. And so that means that the degrees of the sector representing Cyberwave is 126 degrees. And that brings us to the end of this question. I'll see you in the next video.